yung kung paano manalo dito sa Time to Dance. Ano ba yung hinahanap natin para sa ating Time to Dance champion? Ikaw.
Coach Remy? Isip ko muna eh.
Robbie.
Sabihin ko ba? Coach Remy. I think for all the technicals, syempre.
Well, of course, you have to be the best at what you do. It's still a competition.
Mhm.
So we're looking for, out of all the auditionees that made it through, eventually, there's only one winner. So the technicality of it, of course, you need to be really skilled as a dancer. You have to be creative. But on top of that also, kailangan very competitive ka because it's gonna be a long journey and you can be the most creative, you can be the most skilled. But if your endurance and your fighting spirit is medyo shaky, hindi ka tatagal because there will always be pressure. And pressure is good. It helps us grow as long as you embrace that. So for me, yun lang talaga. As in, I'm sure at the end of this first season, we'll have the best dancer there is win the first title as Time to Dance Grand Champion.
If I may add din,
Sure.
kasi dance is not just movement so they need to be skilled din in performing kasi a lot of people will be watching them. So as a performer, you need to know how to use not only your moves, pero your emotion to be able to tell a story that everybody will be able to connect and be impacted by.
Yes. Facial expressions, napakahalaga nun. Di ba, Robbie?
Ako puro facial expression lang.
Kaya mo
kong
yung part
gawin.
na yun, di ba?
Oo,
Kaya
if I
mo.
may add, yun.
Yes. Pero sobrang excited na kaming lahat for Time to Dance. And to make us even more excited, mapapanood na po natin ngayon ang Time to Dance AVP! Let's all watch this!
Matapos ang matagal na panahon at sa kasagsagan ng pagsikat ng dance challenges online, this 2025, get ready for the biggest dance reality show yet.
The time is here. The time is now. This is Time to Dance.
Join us as we celebrate the inspiring stories and unstoppable talent of our Filipino dancers. Iba't ibang mga kwento,
As a grade 12 student, mahirap pagsabayin yung academics at training. Especially, kailangan kong mag-cope up sa lessons and activities. Pero kung determinado ko naman talaga, kayang-kaya.
Nung kabataan ko, binubuli-buli ako. Dito ko challenge yung sarili ko na dapat mahigitan ko ang mga ginagawa ng mga nambubuli sa akin dahil para sa akin, hindi hadang kapansanan para maabot ang mga pangarap.
Maliban sa pagiging dancer, meron akong mas malaking role sa buhay. Yun ay pagiging nanay ko sa 3 anak ko. Now, I'm a single mom. My husband passed away 2021 because of his kidney failure.
Kaya ko pa ba? Pero hindi ako susuko. Kaya ko to. Lalaban ako sa kanila.
Yun po yung mindset ng dancer.
Tama.
sari-saring emosyon,
Pasok ako sa Time to Dance.
Tandaan nyo, nang haharapin nyo sa susunod na step ng inyong journey ay mas hihirap pa dahil haharap kayo sa Dance Council na mga respetado sa dance community.
lahat para sa katuparan ng kanilang mga pangarap.
Kaya din po ako sumali sa mga breaking battle kasi para matulungan po si Papa. Kasi po nagkasakit po. Tapos nagka-heart attack bypass.
I understand you. I see myself in you because I was right there too. I remember fighting for my life then on that stage. I know I just met you now, but I'm so proud of you, bro. I am so proud of you.
Dance Council has decided that it's time for you to step up to the next level.
Co-produced by ABS-CBN Studios and Nathan Studios Incorporated.
It is time to dance!
Wow! So, meron na tayong glimpse into the lives of the dance contenders. Grabe, may mga naiiyak pa rin po hanggang ngayon.
Sabi ko, 53 times ka na umiiyak.
Pero grabe nga, no? Their backgrounds, their stories. Oh my gosh, umiiyak na talaga si Jenna!
Sorry. Oh my goodness.
Nababalik ka dun sa moment.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
All coming back. Can we ask for tissue?
Sorry. And nagulat din kami, aside from Jella, naging emotional din si Ken dun sa nakita natin sa AVP, ah.
Sobrang ako na-relate sa kanya.
Yeah. So Jella, ikaw, bakit ka biglang naiiyak? Nabalik ka ba dun sa moment na yun?
Yes, ate. And yun nga po, yung may mga nakita rin kasi ako there. I'm not gonna spoil it, pero syempre meron mga natanggal na. And I remember them and their stories. And it touched me again. Whew! Oh my God, di pa nga eh. I'm crying again.
Sa Sabado pa.
Goodness! But yeah, it's just that was the first time we saw that rin kasi ate.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I'm so happy. Thank you.
Yes. It is looking to be one great emotional dance survival reality show that you should all look forward to this Saturday. Again, Time to Dance is co-produced by ABS-CBN Studios and Nathan Studios. So abangan po natin yan. At ngayon, meron naman tayong sabay-sabay ding makikita kung kanina sabay-sabay tayong nanood ng AVP. Now, it's time to present to everyone the official poster of Time to Dance! Wow! Yes. Can you say that in the microphone? Yes. So it's so Gen Z. 1, 2, 3.
Fire!
Yay! Fire! Ganun pala mag-react yung mga ano.
Paka-dancer ka.
Kabataan. Yes. Ang galing, no? Ano siya? Static picture lang. Pero parang gumagalaw kayo. Kasi talagang yung in motion, yung ano, yung mga pose ninyo. Talagang perfect for Time to Dance. Yes, Ken?
Anong move yun, Robbie?
I think
Sample daw! Sample paano yun? Paano yun?
Well, niya bago siya
Paano?
sa dinami-dami ng pinicture natin, yun yung kinuha, yung patalon pa lang ako. Wala man na yun sa ere na. Ay, nako. No, but we took a lot of photos, videos actually for that, and we're so happy with the outcome.
Sobrang ganda.
Yun yung ano eh.
Mapupunta.
Ano ka na, 35 ka na. Oo, yun na yung posing mo. Pag ano na lang.
Uy, dancer ka dun. Oo. Hindi
Halata.
naiiba kay Jella.
Sabi ko
World
sa
champion.
100% facial expression. Yun lang
Perfect
talaga.
for poster.
Yeah,
Perfect
for poster.
Uy, may tanong ako. Makikita ka ba namin sumayaw dito, Robbie?
I think yes. Part lang.
Wow, meron. May
Yan.
dance front.
May konti lang. Pero dahil lang kayo kay Coach Vimy. Oo.
Aabangan ng
Oo.
lahat yan. Aabangan ng taong bayan.
Yes.
Ang dance front mo. But, you know, as we all know, this is really another milestone for Jella. Dahil first time niya to na mag-host. Yes. So, as one of the highest paid hosts in the country,
Baka maniwala sila.
ano bang masasabi mo naman dun sa experience hosting with Jella? Kamusta naman ang kanyang first hosting experience?
I have to be honest. And this is in line with Time to Dance too. Para siyang yung tagline eh. It's gigil at galing. Gigil at galing. Kitang-kita kay Jella yung gigil talaga na pag-ibayuhin pa yung kanyang craft, especially sa pananalita. And for me, ang laki ng improvement niya since day one. Lalong-lalo na when it comes to hosting, what you want is that connection. It's not all about talking. At ramdam na ramdam namin yun lahat, not just with the contestants, not just with the judges, but everyone in the set. So, huwag kang umiyak ha. I just have to tell you, I'm so proud of you.
Now I'm gonna cry.
Oh, I'm so proud of
Rate
you.
mo siya.
Thank you.
Huh?
Rate mo siya.
Grabe.
Pasado ka na to the next round. Time for you to level up to the next round.
Thank you, Kuya. And I wouldn't be able to do that, ate, without Kuya Robbie. Kasi from the start pa lang sinabi ko kay Kuya Robbie, Kuya Robs, I'm so scared. I don't know. Like, I kind of entered blind kasi I really didn't have any experience with hosting. So, yun. Thank you, Kuya, for the guidance. As in, lagi ko pinagmamayabang na I wouldn't also be the host that I am now and where I am now if it weren't for you. So, thank you, Kuya.
Thank you. But actually, it's not just me na grabe yung may instance of pride sa kanya. Maraming tao rin ang gustong sabihin na at pinagyayabang na kilala ka nila at proud na proud sila sa'yo. At kung sino pa sila, you better watch this.
What? No.
Jella Bestie, it's Darren Bestie. I'm so proud of you. Of course, congratulations on your show, Time to Dance. Thank you for having me also as a guest judge. I'm so excited to see the show, and I'm so excited to have everyone watch this as well and support you on your journey as a new Gen host. Wow, congratulations. I love you so much. Message ko para kay Jella. Well, una sa lahat, I hope you like the song. I hope you're okay with me singing it. I'm so proud of you and everything that you do. And everything that you do, I know you work your hardest. And I know I haven't seen you in forever, but always know you're like a sister to me. And I can't wait to see what you can do for the dance community here in the Philippines and what you've already done worldwide. I'm already so proud of you.
Hi, Time to Dance family. I just want to say congratulations. I am so proud of you. I think you got the best team to create this amazing dance contest. I am so proud of you, Jella, for initiating something like this. Kailangan natin to. We need new talents, we need new moves and new concepts, and I think this is such a great way to make that happen. And also, Robbie, congratulations. You have done it again. Another show for you. You're always the best host for our generation, and this is just timely. So, congratulations, guys, and can't wait to guest in your show.
Hi Jazz, congratulations with your new show, with your Kuya Robbie. Congratulations to the both of you for your Time to Dance. It's always time to dance for you. You've never let go. You've always stayed in the dancing community no matter what you have been doing. Right? Now you went through showbiz na. You're so busy with school. You always took care of your passion, of your dancing. It's always been your playground. From watching me and maybe the whole team dancing to doing all this inspiring things. So you've done much more than what I've done during my times, and you can never compare. You're such a great dancer. You're an inspiration to the youth. I'm just very proud of what you've become on stage and outside as a human being, as a person, as a sister. You've been nothing but a great person, so continue doing what you're doing. You're doing great. I'm very proud of you, and take care and good luck. Just keep dancing. It's always gonna be time to dance.
My goodness! You all!
Ayun na nga, binigyan na ako ng tissue paper kanina kasi before pa mag-start yung video, alam na namin ito magiging ending. Jella is pure heart talaga, diba? Talagang punong-puno ng puso, and that's why kita naman natin talaga yung reaction niya, very authentic.
And anak ni Sylvia Sanchez.
So, Jella, what's your reaction after seeing those special messages from Kyla Cherry, Enchong D, Darren, and of course, Kong Arjo?
Yeah, thank you. Those are like the boys in my life na before I entered showbiz pa, I was close to Darren, Kyle, and Kuya Chong. So they've really seen me. Dancer pa lang ako. Dancer lang, di pa ako artista. They saw how passionate I was na with it. So, thank you guys. Thank you for the messages. I love you guys. And to Kuya naman, me and Kuya don't talk kasi a lot. So when it's like messages like this, I get really like emotional because we're not ma-words. Like me and Kuya, us siblings, di kami ma-words. So when I get stuff like that, I get really emotional because it's like a reward. It's a reward and a reminder to keep going. And naiyak ako when he said that I never let go because That's true. There were so many times talaga. It brought me back to the moments na I wanted to stop dance or give up, but then I would remember Kuya. Like, he's really one of the people that kept me going. So, yeah, seeing that and hearing all of that coming from him is just so touching to me. So yeah, thank you, Kuya. I love you.
Yes. I'm sure nga. Kaya pala ganun yung reaction na lang ni Jella kasi hindi pala sila ma-works masyado as a family. Tapos yun, ang daming sinabing magagandang bagay ni Kong Arjo. Yes. And Robbie, in-expect ko may iiyak ka rin kasi sinabi ni Enchong.
Kaya nga maraming salamat kay Encho at kay Kong. Dinamay niyo po ako sa mensahe niyo. But I'm close to those two. So, actually, to all of the people na nandun din, maraming salamat. And I just can't wait for you guys to see them in that show as well.
Yes. Nakita na nga natin yung ilan sa ating celebrity dancers. And parang